New York?
New York is -12. More than Kilimanjaro?
Yes.
More than Mount Kenya?
Yes.
Otherwise, how?
This summit goes beyond energy access. It is about empowering families, lifting millions out of poverty, and providing hope and opportunities for youth. It is about our commitment to economic transformation, fostering industries, creating jobs, and sparking innovation across Africa. And it is about realizing the promise of uplifting every African community to reach the last mile and ensure that no one is left behind.